Achieving goals requires a systematic approach and consistent effort. Here are some steps to help you in achieving your goals. Number 1. Define your goals. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Make your goals specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals. This will give you a clear direction and focus. Number 2. Break it down. Break your goals into smaller, manageable tasks or milestones. This will make them less overwhelming and allow you to track your progress more effectively. Number 3. Create a plan. Develop a well-structured plan outlining the actions and steps you need to take to reach your goals. Identify the resources, skills, and support you may require along the way. Number 4. Set deadlines. Assign deadlines to each task or milestone to maintain a sense of urgency and ensure progress. Regularly review and adjust your timeline as needed. Number 5. Stay motivated. Keep your motivation high by reminding yourself of the benefits and rewards that come with achieving your goals. Visualize your success and regularly reaffirm your commitment. Number 6. Take action. Start taking action towards your goals immediately. Even small steps can lead to significant progress. Be proactive, consistent, and determined in your efforts. Number 7. Track your progress. Regularly monitor and evaluate your progress. Celebrate your achievements along the way and make any necessary adjustments to your plan if needed. Number 8. Stay focused and flexible. Stay focused on your goals, but also be open to adapting your approach when necessary. Be flexible and willing to make adjustments based on new information or changing circumstances. Number 9. Seek support. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who can encourage and motivate you. Share your goals with trusted friends, family, or mentors who can provide guidance and accountability. Number 10. Learn from setbacks. Understand that setbacks and challenges are a normal part of the process. Learn from them, adjust your approach if needed, and keep moving forward. Remember, achieving goals requires commitment, perseverance, and continuous effort. Stay dedicated, stay positive, and believe in your ability to succeed.